Good morning. I gotta go feed the animals. Ugh, it's rainy and wet. Let's see what's out. One cat and one dog. Yeah, I'm here to see my goat. Where is my... If you hear this squeaking, that's the door. But anyway, let's go check on everybody before I feed them. Hello. Ooh. Ooh. You are all wet. I know. Look at that wetness. I know. Let me go check on everybody else. I hear them all yelling. Everybody wanting food. Oh, all this water again. Gotta be cleaned up because of the rain. Hello, guys. Oh, y'all's hay got messed up. All right, y'all ready to eat? Huh? Are y'all ready to eat? Oh, look at the little ones. I got my boots on today. And my joker. Anyway, all right, let's go feed. We got to go feed everybody. Rain or shine, it doesn't matter. No animals have to be fed and taken care of. Give everybody hay. You ready for your hay? All I can do is this until I come up with some other way to feed them. I'm trying to do this instead of throwing it all over there in that little thing. I put straw in there, and I'm going to start feeding them twice a day. See if it'll save on some hay, because if you put all that hay in there, they sit there and they eat it until it's gone. So I'm trying something else. You always gotta try different things until it fits you. Because, you know, taking care of animals is expensive, so I always gotta come up with something. And theirs, I'm gonna go in and get their little baskets, so I have to go back in. So, on these shower curtain hooks, so I think I'm gonna try to see if I can hook the hay on the fence, because they keep knocking them over and stuff. Yeah, it's time to cut the water on. Oh, scared me. Yeah. Oh. The water is bubbling. That's funny. Oh, it stopped as soon as I turned it around. All right. First thing first. No overflow. Let me give them some water. Oh man, I think I put it up too high. I don't think the babies will be able to drink it. I'm gonna have to go back in there. I'll put some in there just in case. Okay. In case I forget. Now, this one, I think I'm just gonna, because I mean, yeah, the bottom looks bad, but it's not. That's just it's been used so many times. But I'm thinking about just scooping out the leaves. It's a waste of water to keep doing this, because it's so many leaves. Yeah, I'm gonna find a net for the water, but that one definitely has to be changed. So I will be back. Hello, Jack. Did she move you away so she could have some? My little piglet? Oh, I think it will work. Yeah, keep them off the ground. Me like. See how long it lasts with them jumping on it. All right, fat belly. And I just filled both of them up and lowered it. Ooh. All right, I hear my Annabelle barking far off, so I'm gonna have to go get her because she's a pain in my butt. Always jumping on me. Stop, he's not hurting me. He's just loving me. Oh, Rocky. Bonnie thinks he's hurting me. That's a good girl, though. Protecting him. Oh, I gotta get them water. That's what I was doing. I was cleaning everything out. All right, let's go get him some water. They're in my hair. They're eating. It's so weird now that they share. Isn't that crazy? They used to like knock each other out really hard. Well, Ramsey still does. He still. All right. Everybody has been a little bit of hay. Ooh. I go inside and have my coffee. I hear a dog barking. It sounds like Annabelle, but I gotta make sure she's in my yard. No, she's not. I don't see her. Cause she can little. Oh my God! I hope she's not over there. She's smarter than that. I think that's their dog across the street. Annabelle! Hey, Stripey! God, look at that. I gotta clean that up. Annabelle! Oh my gosh. Annabelle! Uh-oh. Where's my Annabelle? That's what you go and look for. Well, I found her, but she running from the goat. She was in my daughter's area. Come on, hurry! She don't like the goats because that one right there got her one time. Inside, Annabelle. God, look at I gotta clean.